made it out to the 2023 Bigfoot Open House in Pacific, Missouri, and let me tell you, it did not disappoint. I had a blast at this year's event, checking out all of the monster truck displays, watching car crushes, and participating in the Trigger King RC monster truck competitions throughout the day. I just wanted to walk you guys through the event real quick from my perspective and show you what went down. After watching some of the Bigfoot trucks pull out of the shop in the early morning, my day kicked off with the RC Show and Shine competition for all of the Bigfoot themed builds that people brought out. Once the show and shine wrapped up, they got right into the retro RC monster truck racing, and there were some great races.
Bigfoot with the lead. Bigfoot into the last turn, and Bigfoot wins. Bigfoot hangs on in a great race.
Throughout the day, they had a few car crush exhibitions with a handful of old school monster trucks. Then shortly after, they would bring out one of the modern day Bigfoot trucks for a quick demo. Rebecca Schnell came out first with Bigfoot number 18 and had some great hits. I competed in the Sport Mod class for my first time ever with my Axial SMT-10 and ended up driving the truck into the semifinals in racing. Then I was able to turn around and qualify, I think, 5th with my Pro Mod Low CLMT and drive that truck into the semifinals as well. Congrats to all the racing winners. For more RC action from the open house, check out the Trigger King RC YouTube channel and stay tuned because they should have full coverage of the competition.
Bigfoot is gonna cruise.
After another round of old school car crushing, Eric Steinberg brought out Bigfoot number 19 as the Gangster monster truck from the Hot Wheels Tour and put on a solid show. Next up was my favorite competition of the day, RC Monster Truck Freestyle. Each driver had 90 seconds to tear it up and put on a show for the Bigfoot open house crowd. I ended up being the second truck to compete in freestyle. I had a blast driving out there and was actually able to take home the freestyle win. A big shout out to the channel sponsor, Jen's Ace, for keeping my trucks powered throughout the event.
He's got about everything!
The final monster truck out for the day was Bigfoot number 21, with of course Jim Kramer behind the wheel for his final ride. He ended up doing a great job and it was a really cool moment to experience in person. For more Bigfoot open house content, you can check out the video I made of last year's event, and you can also watch my full freestyle run as well here on the channel. Like and subscribe. I'll catch you guys in the next one.